In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit TikTok videos with CapCut. First, open the CapCut app and start a new project. Select the video clips or photos you want, tap Add, and they'll appear on the timeline so you can see the order and duration. Now refine your footage. Tap a clip and drag its ends to trim away extra moments. To cut in the middle, move the white playhead to the exact frame and tap Split. To change the sequence, tap and hold a clip and drag it earlier or later. Keep cuts tight. Short, punchy pacing grabs attention on TikTok. Let's add audio. Tap Audio and choose sounds to browse CapCut's library, then tap Use. If you want a trending TikTok sound, copy the sound link in TikTok, return to CapCut, go to Audio TikTok Sounds and import it. You can also extract audio from another video by choosing Audio Extracted and selecting that file. Add text for context and captions for accessibility. Tap Text, then add text, type your caption, and adjust font, color, animation, and position. For automatic subtitles, go to Text, pick Auto Captions, choose your language, and let CapCut generate them. You can tap any word to fix it. For smoother edits, tap the white box between two clips to add a transition. Pick from Fade, Swipe, Zoom, Glitch, or Flash, and adjust the duration. Subtle choices often look more polished. Enhance the look with visual styling. Under Effects, browse categories like Basic, Party, Distortion, or Motion Blur and set the intensity. Then open Filter to pick a color style such as Retro, Faded, Warm, or Vibrant so the whole video feels cohesive. To change speed, select a clip, tap Speed, and choose Normal for simple, slow, or fast motion, or Curve for smooth ramp similar to velocity edits. Add personality with stickers for GIFs, emojis, and icons, or use overlay to place a video or photo on top for reactions or picture-in-picture. Resize and position as needed. Before exporting, set the vertical frame. Tap Format, choose 9:16 for TikTok, and reframe any clips so key content fills the screen. When you're ready, tap Export. In the top right, choose 1080p and 60 FPS, then tap Done. Share directly to TikTok from CapCut, or open TikTok and upload from your gallery, preview, and post. Before posting, double check that captions sit above TikTok's buttons and that music and voice levels feel balanced.